Avoid a clog. Don't drain the fog. We're talking about fats, oils, and grease. When these substances make their way down your drain, they can solidify inside the pipe, creating a clog and potentially causing major problems inside your pipes and sewer systems. Over time, these fog-caused clogs can completely block a pipe, causing a backup, which can lead to clogged drains in toilets, raw sewage backing up into your home and environment, expensive cleanup, repairs and replacements, unpleasant odors, and potential health risks. Just in case you're unsure, here are some examples of the kinds of things to keep out of your drains. And remember, hot grease is dangerous. Its boiling point is about 3 times greater than water. Always let it cool before cleaning up. To properly dispose of fats, oils, and grease, never put them down the drain. Let grease cool and pour into a container with a lid and put it in the trash. Wipe down cooled cookware with a paper towel and scrape food particles into the garbage. Use a strainer in the sink to catch any bits you might have missed. Don't use the garbage disposal or chemicals to try to get rid of grease. Chemicals can damage your pipes. Preventing fog problems is the best solution, but if you do run into a slow or stopped drain, contact a certified plumber to assist in clearing or repairing the pipe before a bigger issue occurs. Visit libertyenergyandwater.com to learn more about pipe safety and maintenance.